Hey everyone, get ready because you're about to become a published author. In this project, you get to write and publish your very own storybook. You'll start with a fun idea, create an awesome main character, and bring your imagination to life. Your teacher's here to help with every step, planning, writing, and turning your words into a book you'll be super proud of. And then, when you hop onto the Build My Story website, that's when the magic really begins. You'll type your story, build your character, and watch the illustrations appear page by page as your book comes to life. And guess what? When you're done, you can open your digital flipbook right away. Even better, your story can be printed and delivered to school as a real book to hold and share with everyone. Plus, every author gets a Build My Story sticker and bookmark to celebrate your amazing accomplishment. So, are you ready to start your story? Let's find out what adventures are hiding inside your imagination and get ready to publish your very first book with Build My Story. All right, let's jump into today's lesson. After that, your teacher will pass out your worksheets so you can start planning your story adventure.
Today, we're learning about Thanksgiving and getting ready to write. Thanksgiving is a United States holiday on the fourth Thursday of November. It's a time to gather and give thanks. Long before that day, many Native nations lived here. In the Northeast, the Wampanoag cared for the land and the water. In 1620, newcomers from Europe, later called Pilgrims, arrived on a ship named the Mayflower. Their first winter was very hard. A Wampanoag man named Tisquantum, also called Squanto, taught them how to plant corn, fish, and live with the seasons. In 1621, people shared a harvest meal. It wasn't the same as today, but it was a moment of food and community. Today, Thanksgiving looks different for different families. Some eat turkey with cranberry sauce and pumpkin pie. Others make foods from their own cultures, like rice, noodles, tamales, or curry. Many people travel to be together. Some watch parades and football. Many help at food drives and community meals. Not everyone celebrates the same way. Some Native families use the day to remember their history and feelings. We listen and show respect. At the heart of Thanksgiving is gratitude, naming good things and saying thank you. Think of a person, a place, and a small moment you're grateful for. Now it's your turn to create. Your teacher will hand out a prompt sheet with Thanksgiving ideas. Pick one that sparks your imagination or write your own. Then you'll start brainstorming your story. Ready? Let's begin.